is a country in Europe. Its capital city is Athens. The language spoken in Greece is Greek. The Greek flag was officially adopted in 1828 as a civil and state ensign, and as a national flag when flown outside of Greece. For example, on embassies. In 1978, the current flag became national flag, and the older land flag was abolished. And sino dito ang mga naglalaro ng God of War? Yung ibang gods and goddesses doon, katulad ni Hades, ni Hercules, related yun sa Greece, except si Kratos. So, next journey, that was very interesting. So, now without further ado, let's begin the presentation.
Dali lang, may pagkatapos na. Mike. No. Kasi. What are they doing? Seriously, what are they doing? Hindi mo yung red button parang.
Now for their second presentation, their presentation.
Ikaw na. Ikaw ni Kratos, oh. Ikaw lang, girl. Stop, girl. Yeah.
Asan ba mga damit nyo? Ba't hindi nyo kami? Howdy.
5, 6, 7, go!
I shall always recognize you
1, 2,
by the dreadful sword you hold.
1, 2,
As you heard with searching vision,
1, 2,
you survey with spirit bold.
1, 2,
From the Greeks of old whose dying
1, 2,
brought to life and spirit free.
1, 2.
Now with ancient valor rising, rising, rising.
1, 2.
Let us head, oh, liberty.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Alright!
You saw that two swords? It's a God of War.
Ang dami kayo nag-gano'n. Perfect yan.
And finally, for the third year batch is third year Thompson, representing Japan for the second week in a row. Jeremy, what do you have about Japan? Japan of third year Thompson. Last year, third year Thompson ako, our country is also Japan. So, about Japan, Japan is also
Counter-Strike?
the land of the rising sun. And as well, sino may alam ng mga anime dito? Sino mahilig? Okay, dyan nanggaling ang anime, mga Naruto, Bleach, everything.
Anime suck.
Ngayon, traditionally,
No,
Japan
they're cool.
is famous also for their samurais. No? Samurai warriors, yung mga taga-pagbantay, taga-pagligtas nila. So, yun lang ang masasabi ko about Japan.
Hold on.
Thank you, Jeremy. And now let's begin the presentation of
The
third
Land of the Rising Sun.
Japan!
Oh, my Land of the Rising Sun. Ano naman yung Land of the Setting Sun? Land of the Sun Shining Sun. Land of the Setting Sun.
You have game?
No. I only have bad piggies. Bad Pig is in this. It's from the creators of our people. I like Japanese music. Like this song.
Ay!
They were doing like that.
Andy.
What is it?
This video will this video you need to send it to sir. Yeah.
Upload it in the grade 4. I grade 6. Wala internet dito. It is all videos, not only one whole video. Video. Stop. Violet.
Wow.
It's like fireworks. I heard your party poppers. I like the umbrellas. It's like fireworks, but silent.
Yeah.
I mean ballroom dancing.